Hey everyone, word of warning on Hamilton Beach having a stupid issue with warranty. This is a dual function coffee maker. You can make it into carafe or you can make a Keurig cup. And as you can see, this is something I purchased. I'm thinking it's February 1st or the 2nd of January. I think it's February 1st, 2023. And I'll point you to the issue that I have. As you can see, this, when I took it apart to clean, the other tab, this was my first time cleaning it, popping it out of that lock, and it cracked off. I don't know where it's to. I had it, but I tried to glue it back. Didn't work. Try to zoom out a bit here. There you go. See the tab on that side? No tab on that side. I was just trying to remove it from those little clips. First time I tried to remove it, it broke. And here is the saga of emails. So this email was May 10th, which was yesterday. I think that's the last email I got. No, it's the second last. Thank you for contacting us. They asked me how did the damage happen. I just basically was taking it apart to clean it and the tab broke off. So that's another one here. That's no good. This one here maybe. Thank you. Here's the first one that they sent with the actual explanation as to what they are going to do. Thank you for contacting us. Unfortunately, accidental damage is not covered under a limited warranty, and they want me. And apparently, the lid is not available. They're telling me now. So the carafe, which is out of stock now, that could take up to 8 weeks to get in, is $17.99 plus $7.50 for postage and handling, and $2.70 for provincial taxes, which is a total of $28.19. I basically told them in this email that I was disappointed that they considered it accidental damage. I was just doing the normal care and cleaning procedure when it broke. And the care and cleaning procedure, quote, routine cleaning. All coffee makers should be cleaned at least once a month. And I said if they weren't going to cover it under warranty, I would try to use the unit as is until I can get another one. And the final email, which is here. Andy, thank you for your email. The carafe is not available as a separate replacement part. The complete carafe will need to be purchased, as damage that does not occur during use brewing process is not covered. The carafe model 49905C is out of stock. We sincerely apologize for the discrepancy. So there it is. That's the part that I need here. And allow up to 8 weeks to confirm availability. And they have sent me a list of qualified suppliers of parts, I'm thinking. So, very disappointed. Like I say, it's my first time cleaning it. It says clean it every month. I think I received it in February, and it's now May, so this is my first real serious cleaning of the carafe. I don't drink coffee very often. But there it is. So, let's have a look at the brewing station. So here's the Hamilton Beach brewing station, the 499, well, as a reference number there, the model number. Basically, I just made a coffee there. Your Keurig goes here, and this is the place where the water goes for your carafe for making a pot of coffee. A word of warning to anybody looking to buy this or anything from Hamilton Beach, they are not backing up too much with their warranty. The only way they would help me out is if I done some damage to it while I was brewing coffee. Cleaning is not counted as warranty. So even though they recommend you clean it at least once a month, it's not a warranty item, and any damages done therewith will not be covered. I could understand if I took the carafe out and while washing it I dropped it and broke it. I can understand that, but I didn't. I simply took the carafe. I still haven't even washed this yet. I just simply took this off to wash it, and that broke off. There's a reference number here. Anyway, word of warning. Buy Hamilton Beach at your peril. If you're brewing coffee, you're good. If you're not brewing coffee and you're maintaining the unit, no warranty to be expected. Thanks for watching.